Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. Vintage rustic cottage decor has a special kind of charm. It's warm, welcoming, and filled with beautiful imperfections that make a house feel like home. It mixes old-world touches with lived-in coziness and brings together soft textures, natural materials, and charming antique pieces that look like they've been collected over time. This style is all about creating comfort with character. Whether it's a hand-painted cabinet, a weathered wood table, or a repurposed vintage mirror, every piece tells a story. It's not about matching or perfection. It's about feeling grounded, cozy, and connected to the past in a way that still feels stylish today. In today's video, we're walking through easy, creative ways to bring vintage rustic cottage charm into your home. You'll get ideas for styling shelves with found objects, layering cozy textiles, adding cottage florals, and mixing materials like iron, linen, and reclaimed wood. Whether you're decorating a small nook or revamping a full space, these approachable ideas will help you build warmth and beauty with ease. So light a candle, take a deep breath, and enjoy these decorating ideas that celebrate age, texture, and charm. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss your next cozy home inspiration here at Home Go Time. Thank you for watching today. I hope these ideas helped you reimagine your space with a little more character and charm. Whether you're styling a vintage hutch, creating a soft layered bed, or adding rustic details to your kitchen, it's those little touches that make a space feel soulful and real. Until next time, keep creating a home that feels storied, simple, and deeply comforting.